Welcome back to the vlog. I am super excited for this week. It's a really fun week. I have like some fun things to take you guys along with. Decorating my Christmas tree tomorrow, or this week sometime. It's getting delivered tomorrow. I cannot confirm that it'll be decorated tomorrow. And then we have a little event at Dubai Mall to go to tomorrow as well. Make some dinner tonight. It's gonna be kind of like a chill start to the vlog, and then tomorrow will be more fun. I have this vintage, or I guess, yeah, vintage cookbook that I got from a market in London on a layover. Look how cute this is. Like the vintage writing scones. Like, it's just adorable. The binding is breaking, unfortunately. Like, I was just obsessed with it. I had to buy it. I've never cooked anything out of here, but maybe I should try, because it would be kind of fun to do like a vintage cooking. Like, I'm sorry, it's so cool. Anyways, it like explains why the cake sinks in the middle. Just, yeah, it's very helpful actually. Basic kitchen equipment that you might need. And then it also has like how to use a thermostat, handy measurements. It's just so cute. So I got this, and I usually just keep it on display because I think it looks cute, but I just don't want to get it. I don't want it to be ruined. So I don't know. Yeah, this is like the little corner. I don't know, I feel like this doesn't match very well. Like, this is very vintage and this place is really modern. So I might just have to have this on the back burner until I can find a place that it fits. Okay, and these are my favorite. These are like vintage Coca-Cola cups. I actually my grandpa actually gave me one of these. They're so cute. And oh, he gave me one just while I was visiting him. And then I went to the antique store again in Fort Langley and found a million of them, like just a whole collection of these exact mugs. So I bought a lot of them. I think I have like a total of 6. I just have these 2 with me, and then the rest are back in Canada. But I love them. I think they're so cool. And they're just like classic cups that you have to have. Anyways, the rest I'm going to unpack tomorrow, because it's just like wreaths and the Christmas tree skirt and everything. And the Christmas tree is being delivered tomorrow. One night.
Please,
Just got ready. I haven't done my lip yet because I'm waiting to pick my outfit. And then we'll put the lip on. Really tore out my entire closet. I really wanted to wear like this, but I don't know why I'm just not, like I put it on and it's a bit big on me. So I have to get it taken in, so it just, I don't think is the vibe. But I was thinking like capris with heels and then like a sweater because it's a daytime thing. So I don't want to be too overdressed because it's just in Dubai Mall. So I think I'm going to put this on and just see how it looks. So I'll show you guys in a minute. Okay, you guys, ignore all the Christmas stuff in the back. The Christmas tree and everything just got delivered. But this is the final outfit. I ended up going with something that I wasn't planning on wearing. But little capris, kitten heels, and this little halter top. I just thought it was super cute for like a little daytime thing. And it's like fairly comfortable. Anyways, I think my cab is here. So we'll see you guys at the event. Okay, I thought we could do a little unboxing of everything I got at the event. I'll open this first, but there's 3 bags to open. So first one, yeah, I purchased this because they were basically engraving a bunch of the fragrances and I wanted my name engraved. So of course, with my shopping problem, I bought one just so I could have an engraved one in my collection. But I've been eyeing this one a lot. So it's candied citrus, orange blossom, and vanilla. It's called Dolce Gabbana Devotion. It's beautiful. I just love the packaging. And it says Jessica Olesa. Olesa is my middle name, in case you guys are confused. Next, I'll open the big one. We'll do this because this one is makeup. I never actually tried Dolce & Gabbana makeup, so I'm really interested to see just what it's like. I like that they give you like a full dust bag for this also. Ooh, oh my gosh. I'm so excited for this. Let's see. Oh, is it lipsticks? Oh my gosh. Oops. And then the last one, I think this is a fragrance, I'm guessing. Ripped it in half. I really did not need to purchase one of my own because like, why that was such a waste of money. I think it's the men's one. I think that's men's. I don't know. Anyways, first we have the eye palette. I was eyeing these and I was gonna buy one, but I got the perfume instead. But I've been dying to get my hands on these. I've seen them all over TikTok. They're just so pretty. Like, that is stunning. Let's open this together. Oh my goodness. Yeah, I think this is the men's one. So So now I have a his and hers. Spray on here. Oh yeah. That is a men's cologne for sure. I'll have to give that to Sam. Should put that like just in his stocking maybe. So, and then I'm gonna put up the Christmas tree a bit later. So obviously we'll do that together. So I'm just having this little snack while I edit. And it's my favorite snack in the entire world. I'm not really a lunch person, but I love a snack plate. So I always do some dates with butter and dark chocolate. It's like the dessert. And then some Parmesan cheese and then olives. These are actually stuffed with Parmesan as well, but I don't love them. I prefer like garlic stuffed olives, if you're wondering. But yeah, this is my snack plate and I just eat it pretty much every single day. So is the next day. What day is it today? It's Thursday night. I did not put the Christmas tree up yesterday, as you can tell. So we're gonna put it up together tonight. But yeah, I was just working all day and I just went on a little walk. I went to the liquor store actually, which is like a 30-minute walk, but I Ubered there just so I could figure out where it was because I haven't been yet. And then I walked back, and yeah, it's like a 30-minute walk, which isn't terrible. So whenever I want a bottle of wine, I just have to walk an hour. But yeah, I picked up 2 bottles of wine, and I thought I would have one while I decorate the tree. We can light a candle, put on some Christmas music. So I'm not decorating, I'm just setting it up. But I just was like, I just need it to be like a fun little night, you know? Guys, the Christmas tree from last year is not gonna fit in this new place. This is just the bottom. So I think, like, yeah, I don't think it's gonna fit. So we're just gonna do the smaller one, which is totally fine. It's just hilarious. I don't want to have like a Christmas vacation thing going on where the Christmas tree is like taking over the entire living room. So I'm gonna put this one back in the box and then just do the small one. The small one's easier anyways, and I don't have to do 2. So yeah. Guys, this is how the night's going. I look a little crazy, but I just have a Biodance face mask on, and I'm going to prep dinner. I'm making burgers and yam fries. I love yam fries. And having my wine, Chardonnay. Oh my gosh, this thing does not want to stay up. Usually they do. I think I might just let my hair air dry I really don't feel like blow drying it. I'm being super lazy.